Alright there, sexy people, how you all lot doing? I thought I'd just go through one of the SSL glue settings that I use for my drum bus. I've got it on my new tune I'm going to be dropping tomorrow, so I thought I'd just go over this, and if anyone can take anything from it, that's brilliant, and if not, just fuck it off, you know what I mean? But, okay, so what I'll do first is I'll play my drum arrangement I've got at the moment, and this is without anything on, so that's reset, so there's nothing going on there. So what I'll do now is, if I play my drums on their own, so the drums don't sound that bad, they sound quite nice together. So what I'm going to do now is, this is the 4000E by Plugin Alliance. It's just an SSL console, so worth getting if you can see. What I do first in the filters, I turn off the high and low pass filters. What I do is I turn the equalizer to pre-dynamics. And then what I do is you turn the threshold all the way up and pull the compression down. Now what you do, you play, so I'm going to play the bit with the snare as well, because that's where everything's kind of mixed in together. And what I'm looking for is 6 decibels or gain reduction, just here. So as long as as long as this is flashing here, you're just getting enough. You'll be able to kind of hear the difference when you're kind of bringing in the compression as well. So yeah, so I'll run it through and I'll start bringing in the compression. You can start to see what the gain reduction meter's doing. Okay, so you can just see here, we're just clocking at the 6 decibels. So now what I'm going to do, the gain isn't too bad on it, so I don't really have to start. Sometimes you have to kind of gain match it out, but that's not sounding too bad at all. And it's only the slightest of kind of changes, but just the whole tone kind of just changes a little bit. And it, like I said, it just kind of glues things together. So if you want to just have a look at the settings here, like I said, it's the threshold's all the way up. The ratio's 4:1, and just slowly bring the compression in until you start hitting that magic 6. You can use this on drums, you can use this on vocals, all sorts. So this is just a bog standard SSL trick. That's the one. Well, anyway, hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and all that jazz, and boom, chat to you in the new year.